Day 22 of Trump's civil fraud trial. Testimony of Trump's sons. November 2, 2023. The civil fraud trial against the former U.S. President Donald Trump's family and their company is taking place, and today marks the second day of testimony from Donald Trump's adult sons. Yesterday, Donald Trump Jr. was questioned about his position at the Trump Organization and financial statements that were allegedly inflated to favor the company. Today, he took the stand again to answer further questions from the New York Attorney General Letitia James's office. Eric Trump, who also worked as an executive vice president at the company, followed him. Next week, we can expect Donald Trump and his daughter Ivanka Trump to take the stand. Testimony from Donald Trump Jr. and Eric Trump. Donald Trump Jr. faced further questions today from New York Attorney General Letitia James's office. The line of questioning primarily focused on his role at the Trump Organization, especially concerning financial statements that the Attorney General's office alleged were deliberately inflated to benefit the company. This probing sheds light on the intricate financial dealings and decision-making within the Trump Organization during the period in question. Following Donald Trump Jr.'s testimony, Eric Trump, who also served as an executive vice president at the Trump Organization, took the stand. Eric's testimony likely provided additional insights into the inner workings of the organization and its financial practices. His statements could potentially address the accusations of fraud and misrepresentation leveled against the Trump family and their company. During the proceedings, a forensic accountant for the Attorney General revealed that the Trump Organization benefited by $168 million due to loan rates obtained with allegedly false information. Eric Trump was pressed by the Assistant Attorney General to acknowledge his awareness of the specific financial details provided for his father's financial statements, citing instances where he appeared to be knowledgeable about discrepancies in property valuations. Eric Trump, however, maintained a focus on his role in construction rather than detailed financial evaluations, affirming his limited involvement in the valuation process despite contradicting evidence presented in court. Earlier in the trial, Jeff McConney, a former Trump Organization executive, testified that Eric Trump directed certain decisions leading to inflated property valuations. The back-and-forth questioning during Eric Trump's testimony highlighted the prosecution's efforts to establish the extent of his involvement in the alleged fraudulent inflation of property values. The Associate Attorney General squeezed Eric Trump to yield now at preliminary, rather than a portion of his responses in testimony, that he knew at the hour of the reported exchanges with McConney that the data he gave about resources like Seven Springs and the Doral Golf Resort was from his dad's fiscal summaries. A mayor showed messages in court Thursday recommending that Eric Trump knew about the $45 million worth Cushman and Wakefield appraiser David McCardle presented for the Briarcliff estate improvement in 2015, which ended up being $58 million, not as much as what was accounted for on his dad's fiscal summaries from 2013 to 2018, as per the principal legal officer's objection. A mayor pushed Eric Trump to recognize he affirmed mistakenly in his affidavit prior to this year when he said he wasn't associated with the evaluation cycle for Briarcliff Estate, highlighting messages and calls about it. After an extended exchange, Eric Trump said he remained by his declaration that he had restricted contributions. Yesterday's testimonies and what lies ahead. The testimonies from Donald Trump Jr. on the first day of his appearance involved an in-depth examination of his involvement and responsibilities within the Trump Organization. The questions delved into the specifics of financial statements and their alleged inflation, a critical point in the prosecution's case against the Trump family. Today marked the second day of testimony from the Trump sons. The significance of their roles within the organization and their insights into financial decisions are crucial elements in understanding the alleged scheme to artificially inflate asset values for advantageous loan terms. While Donald Trump Jr. and Eric Trump provided their testimonies, it's anticipated that Ivanka Trump, another pivotal figure in the Trump Organization, will take the stand next week. Her testimony could offer further clarity on the family's involvement in the alleged fraudulent practices. Expert commentary and trial dynamics. The trial has garnered extensive media coverage, with numerous legal analysts and experts dissecting each testimony and its potential impact on the case's outcome. The focus has been on the prosecution's argument of a deliberate ploy to manipulate asset values to secure more favorable loan conditions and the defense's counterarguments, which emphasize business acumen and legitimate valuation practices. Moreover, the legal battle has intensified with these testimonies, painting a comprehensive picture of the internal dynamics and financial decisions within the Trump Organization. The case's outcome rests significantly on the weight and credibility of these testimonies and pieces of evidence presented throughout the trial. To sum up, as the Trump civil fraud trial in New York progresses, the testimonies from Donald Trump's sons, Donald Trump Jr. and Eric Trump, continue to unravel the intricate details of the Trump Organization's financial operations. The trial's trajectory and the eventual impact on the Trump family and their business remain the subject of keen observation and analysis. The upcoming testimony of Ivanka Trump next week is anticipated to further elucidate the prosecution's claims of civil fraud, ensuring the trial's developments remain under the public's scrutiny. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please comment and hit the like and share buttons. Subscribe for future videos.